Alright, welcome back to Perkins Garage. Got some things going on with Chevelle today. And I'll show you what's going to happen here. Alright, so gotta move this out of the way first. Just bear with me. Season's almost over. Should be nice. Alright, so I had a video of when the car was moving. You could see the tread. So that became a giant bubble on it. And it just blew the tread apart. I've had it on Jackson since it went flat. I was going to get new wheels, rims, and tires on it anyway, and that one's going low. So these are the old rims off my dad's Camaro. So we're going to be uncovering the car today. Which I can do some of it right now. Maybe. Come on, you little bastard. Yep. Oh, it's good to see this guy again. Alright, so here's the deal. We got to get this car over to my shop because it's too close to the wall to get all the new wheels and tires on, but I got new wheels and tires for it. So I'm going to get this one put on right now, and I'll show you what we got going on here. Oh yeah. Torque thrust D's, 8-inch rims all the way around. But look at the size difference. So I got 295 50s for the rear. And those are some big ass meats. Just so we can do a comparison here. Match that up there. We're at about 11 inches. Looks like a little bit further. About almost about 11 and a quarter on the rear. Do the front. So these are two 35 60-15s. I think I mentioned that in another video. Where are you at? There you go. Right there. Alright, line that up there. You can go on any website or whatever and figure this out too, but they're not even 10 inches wide. About 9.5. All. So yeah, I'm gonna get that rear one mounted and go from there. I gotta put the ice shanty, get the ice shanty out of the back of my truck and put that up and get that put away before I get the car moved over. I'm gonna probably get the car on the battery tender today and then drive it over there tomorrow. It's Friday today. We'll do it on Saturday. It's supposed to be cold, but maybe we'll do it on Sunday. It's supposed to be sunny and 40 out on Sunday, so I don't know. I'll probably end up doing it tomorrow because I'm pretty anxious. So here we go. Alright, so I cannot tell you how much I hate these frickin' rims. They're universal lug pattern, so they move around and you gotta get the special lug nuts for them. They just absolutely suck. So I'm gonna get these off and probably give them back to my dad so he can sell them, or I'm gonna sell them for him. So anybody interested in some, I think they're called unilugs, centerline unilugs. I got some. I'll probably post them on Facebook, Perkins Garage. So these are what I'm talking about. You gotta try to line this section up in the rim, and it's just a pain in the ass. The other side, it ended up busting a freaking stud off too, so I gotta get a new stud for that drum. So yeah, don't recommend. Oh yeah. Absolutely blown apart. Cool. Yeah. Alright, moment of truth. You're gonna fit. So that's another thing with bbwheelsonline.com, where I got these rims and tires from. These rims came with free lug nuts. Stud too. I'm definitely gonna have to paint the drums. You gotta kind of line them up and get that cup to go in the bowl. Or not the cup, but the angle. The neighbors are probably wondering why I'm talking to myself. Get the jack stand, and we'll drop her down and see how she looks. tell you what, that looks damn good. Alright. Bear with me, it'll be about a second. Alright, got the jack over here. Let me get you in here. Okay, first of all, here's this view. There's some big old fatties. Ah, damn, that looks good. All right, like I said, it looks like someone might have torched that drum at some point. I might have to replace this drum, but it does need to be painted because that shouldn't be like that. I don't think, because I think dust will get in there and shit. But here's a size comparison. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, there's that side and that side, which is like damn near flat. Again, 295, 50, 15s. There's plenty of space in here. Yeah, they ain't gonna rub it all. Check out the back space. Oh yeah. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. Yeah, I don't see any real point where they would rub. That's freaking sweet. Oh, it's good to see this old boy. Butter? Is it butter? Would you just look at it? Just look at it.
Give me a second.
Just look at it.
I want to see one big fat ass tire on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, that's so much wider than the other tire.
No, you're not. No, right. No, back. I'll take the mice left it alone.
I didn't think we had mice in this tire anyway.
Yes. All right.
That fucking.
Out of the way.
Oh.
All right. I'm gonna put the car on the tender, and then we're gonna work on getting it pushed over to the other. Well, drive it over to the other garage and get the rest of the wheels and tires on. But happy day. Thanks for watching.